Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the 2026 Nissan LEAF, Nissan's iconic electric vehicle that's been redefining eco-friendly driving for over a decade. The latest model brings a perfect balance of efficiency, comfort, and modern technology, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to switch to electric without compromising style or performance. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 LEAF has been given a sleek, aerodynamic makeover. Its sculpted lines and bold front grille give it a modern, futuristic look, while the LED headlights and distinctive boomerang-shaped taillights add a touch of sophistication. From the side, the flowing profile and subtle character lines create a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The compact yet roomy design makes it ideal for city driving while still offering a spacious interior. Step inside, and the cabin immediately impresses with its minimalist yet high-tech feel. Soft-touch materials, comfortable seating, and thoughtful ergonomics make every ride enjoyable. The centerpiece is the large touchscreen infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Nissan's advanced navigation system. There's also a digital driver display that provides real-time energy usage, battery range, and regenerative braking information, making it easy for even first-time EV drivers to adapt under the hood. The 2026 LEAF features an updated electric powertrain that delivers smooth, quiet acceleration. Depending on the variant, it offers up to 214 horsepower and instant torque, making city driving and highway merging effortless. One of the standout features is its improved battery range, now capable of covering around 226 miles on a single charge, which is more than enough for daily commutes and weekend getaways. The LEAF also comes with fast charging capability, allowing you to recharge up to 80% in about 30 minutes at a compatible DC fast charger. When it comes to handling, the LEAF surprises with its agility. The low center of gravity, thanks to the battery placement under the floor, provides excellent stability and minimal body roll during corners. Steering is precise, braking is responsive, and the car feels planted, giving drivers confidence in a variety of conditions. Nissan has also equipped it with an advanced suite of safety and driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control, all designed to make every journey safer. One of the unique selling points of the 2026 LEAF is its focus on sustainable living without sacrificing convenience. From zero emissions to energy-efficient heating and cooling, every aspect of this car is designed with eco-conscious drivers in mind. Additionally, its regenerative braking system not only extends the driving range, but also offers a fun and engaging driving experience, especially in city traffic. Overall, the 2026 Nissan LEAF is a versatile, stylish, and practical electric vehicle that caters to both everyday commuters and environmentally conscious drivers who want a reliable, tech-savvy ride. It's an EV that doesn't just meet expectations, it exceeds them, offering comfort, performance, and efficiency all in one package. So whether you're looking for a smart city car or a dependable electric companion for longer trips, the 2026 Nissan LEAF definitely deserves a spot on your list.